Hi everyone, so today's video is another Calpak unboxing because as I said in the previous videos, I love Calpak so much and the quality of their products is amazing. So today I got their jewelry case and it came in this cute little bag as all of their other products do as well. And I got the dragon fruit one because this is my favorite color in everything that they make. It is just so beautiful. I love pink. So I got this one and I feel like this is a great size for a jewelry case. Oh my God. When it came in the mail, I was like, I don't know if it's gonna fit all my jewelry, but it definitely did. And then really quickly, if you've watched my other videos, you know that it comes with a little envelope, this little pamphlet with all of their products, and beautiful stickers that I love. I need to use them, but I don't know what to put them on. So I already have jewelry in here, but I'm just gonna show you how much space it has. I already took this on vacation and I loved it. It is so beautiful. So you can hang necklaces, anklets, bracelets, all of that here. And then there's a ring holder over here, which is really nice. Then it has this built-in bag at the bottom. So there's like pockets on the side to where you can put things that don't have a specific place to go. And then it has an earring holder, which I am obsessed with. Look at how cute this is. So I've already put all my earrings on there. This is the smartest thing I've ever seen. And then I did put my watch holder in there for my other jewelry box, just because I don't want my watches thrown in there because they'll get messed up. But that is my jewelry organizer. So the next thing that I got was their car organizer, and it is the light pink one. It is currently in my car because I used it on vacation for all my Calpak items, but I'm gonna show you. Ignore the trunk of my car. We just got back from vacation and it might be messy, but let's go see. So this is what it looks like. Ignore the mess in my trunk and all of the background noises because I'm outside, but this is what it looks like. It is so cute. It has a bunch of side pockets and then it does fold. And then it has this little buckle that you can use to put it together if you don't need it anymore. So that is everything that I got from Calpak this time, but I do have my eyes on their water bottle holders and their insulated lunch bags. I'm just waiting for the polka dot one to be back in stock. Don't forget to use the $25 off linked in the description. I also post all types of unboxing, PR hauls, all of that fun stuff, fashion videos on my Instagram and TikTok, so don't forget to follow on there and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you so much for watching.